Don't be scared. Be brave, boy. It's okay.
I don't like storms.
It's alright, buddy. It's not a big storm. It's just a little one. Just a little one. It's not gonna hurt you. Okay? Don't be scared of the storm. It's fun. Look, you can see all the stuff blowing in the wind everywhere. Magandang umaga, Dwaine family. Dito kami ngayon sa Alona Vida Beach Hill Resort, and we're gonna see the Tarsiers today, and we're gonna go see the chocolate hills.
Yeah.
Do you like chocolate?
Yeah, but I want to.
Go. Yay! So we're jumping on a tour today where we're going to see all the touristy stuff in Bohol. It cost us 6,500 pesos para sa aming tatlo. And yeah, 6,500, diba?
2,659 for an adult, and then 1,200 for...
Yes. Let's go, Nitro. Hit that ball. What are we doing today, buddy? Tarsier, yeah.
And the chocolate deals.
You know who looks like a Tarsier, Nitro? Mommy looks like a Tarsier. Nitro, we're here. Let's go in the car.
Good morning, Sir Edmond.
Good morning po.
Daddy, to be.
Oh, okay lang tayo eh. We're gonna see the chocolate hills, Nitro. It's gonna be fun, hey? Chocolate hills? Yeah, you're gonna eat them? Because they're chocolate?
Daddy, you're so heavy. I can't put your shoulder.
Ay 1,268 nga chocolate hills na.
Here, buddy. Oh, there's some more on that side. Oh, Nitro, look at the chocolate hills. It's so cool. Whoa. Yeah, they're so big, hey?
Love.
Yeah, it says love. I love chocolate hills. Let's have a look over here. Come here. Whoa. Woo. Beautiful.
Nasa Pilipinas pala kayo na
Yes. Diba? 4 years old. Okay, 200 steps. How many steps we got left, Nitro? Oh. You can do it, Nitro. Your legs tired yet? Are you tired? Yep. Almost at the top.
But Daddy,
Almost there, yeah.
I just saw somebody just drive.
Somebody was driving?
Yeah.
Oh, they were driving an ATV maybe. Or the car. Yeah. Kasi like ATV dito sa ubos. That would be cool. Drive an ATV around Chocolate Hills. We're at the top. So close. Wow. Whoa.
Where's the monkey?
There's no monkeys up here. We're gonna go there next. The Tarsiers. Wow. Yeah, we will. Nitro, king of the chocolate hills. Drop. Nitro kids.
The female Tarsier, sir, they can only produce one baby Tarsier every pregnancy, sir.
Wow.
Tarsier pala.
That's one of the reasons why they are...
Parang ikaw, Shanta.
Mother Tarsier.
Isa lang ang baby.
Isa lang ang bebe.
Here at the Tarsier Park. Woohoo!
You have to be quiet.
Yeah, we gotta be quiet when we go inside, okay? Oh, that's a big animal looking thing over there. What's that supposed to be?
Frog.
A big frog? Or is it a sigbin?
Daddy, I
It's a
saw
sigbin.
a butterfly.
A butterfly? It's an alibangbang. You call that? It's a butterfly garden, isn't it? Oh, Nitro. What's that?
Is that that's a statue Tarsier?
Yeah, it's a statue
Yeah,
Tarsier.
but it
That's right.
doesn't move.
Doesn't move. No, it doesn't move. Yeah. Picture tama ba?
Why is it so
They sleep.
Yeah, they sleep in the day. They wake up Tarsier, didn't he? I've heard people say they didn't see many, but there's so many everywhere. These Tarsiers everywhere.
Kada buntag at
Oh.
magatang sila magandang sila pisik kay asa sila ka tungtong atangan na yun.
Oh, yeah, so
Bawal.
lipat-lipat ni.
No, bawal din sila yun.
Oh, yeah. He's a boy. Because the boy ones are dark and the girl ones are light, like light brown. Yeah.
Oh,
Nitro, it's a snake. Look, it's a big snake. Come have a look. Look. Can you see the snake, Nitro?
No, it's coming out.
It's coming out.
Take picture for
Oh my god, it's so
Sure,
cute.
okay. Wow, it's a little
How
short
about you
letter.
first? Come here, come here.
Nitro, look. Do you want to hold
You have
on?
to be gentle, okay?
Nitro, look.
You stand here,
Just
alright?
open your hand, okay?
See,
Don't-
there he is.
Just
Look.
open your hand.
Please here, please here.
He's here, look, he's there.
You don't need to hold. We will just put it in your
Ah, on your
shoulder.
shoulder.
Your shoulder, look.
It's just, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's
He's a
okay.
friend. He's a friend. See?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool. Oh, he's tickling you. He's
It's
tickling
alright.
you.
He's kissing you. He's kissing. He's kissing
Are you on
you.
here?
He's
In your head.
kissing
On
you.
your head? On your head? Oh, he's on your
We'll
head.
show grandpa and
Like that, like
grandma. Do this. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Both hands, both hands.
Both hands.
Alright.
Yes, good job.
It's so cool, isn't it?
It's your family pictures.
Yeah, it's cool.
Look, he's gonna fly. Ready? Now.
Okay, just go down there.
It's a baby
I
sugar
wanna
glider.
look at it. I wanna.
Playing the music, Nitro. Look.
It's so cool, eh, Nitro? Nitro, what do you want?
I want to touch it. I want to touch your clothes.
So, touch your clothes?
Yeah, there.
That one there? Okay, you show me. Which one? Come on, let's go.
On the black one.
Okay, well, show me. Let's go to it. Let's go. Does it fit? It fits. Oh, you gotta touch your shirt. Wow. Show mommy, Nitro. Show mommy. That's so cool, eh?
Introducing Shantado!
Hey, yo, check my flow. It's time for the Shanta Dope Show. Check out my grills, girl.